Tears flow at St. Andrew Technical High School for murdered under 19 footballer. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Much love and appreciation as usual. If this is your first time over here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. It will be greatly appreciated. So viewers and subscribers, on Friday, April 22nd, 18-year-old Omar Laing was murdered. He was shot to death by unknown assailants in Kingston, people. Promising young 18-year-old died on his birthday. It's very, very sad and unfortunate that our youngsters are losing their life in such unfortunate manners, people. At first, people were speculating that it was a drive-by and that he might have got hit in the crossfire. But recently, video have surfaced on social media, people, where it shows the 18-year-old being gunned down. He was targeted. You saw where the car pulled around and two men hopped out of the car and chased this young man down and murdered him, people. Cannot post the video on YouTube. You know how that goes already. But if you just search Omar Laing on Facebook, Twitter, you will see the video. It's just sickening, people, that such an unfortunate situation happened to this young man. Gunned down at such an early age, at a young age, people. And as I said, people, it was very promising. He was gonna be on the 19 Jamaica football team. He was a leading goal scorer for St. Andrew Technical High School last season. And also, people, he was called up to join Premier League champions, the Cavaliers, people. So it was very, very promising. And it also had, I think, a 1-year-old child. So this child lost a father, people. Lost a father for senseless killing. Senseless killing, people. And as I say, he was targeted. There is no ifs or buts about this situation. He was definitely targeted. And today, people, many of his friends at his school was mourning the lost, people. And the Jamaica Observer actually went to the school and check out this video. You can see how emotional these kids were, people, because to lose your friend in such a way is just very tragic and a very sad and unfortunate situation. You see me, people? So I just want to say my condolences goes out to Omar Laing's family and friends, people. I know the situation I go through right now, and I just pray and hope can get through this. Cause very, 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 very sad, people. I'm not gonna lie, it's very sad. Check out the video, alright, people? Bless up in yourself.
Speak to me gently as I close the door. Heavenly Lord, let thy presence cover Shekinah on any is what I'm longing for.
Offer our sincere condolences to you, the students, the teachers of the St. Andrew Technical High School. I can also say the family members at the St. Andrew Technical High School. This morning, it is indeed a very sad morning for me. So whilst you might not see the literal tears, I am bleeding inside. Because too long, as a nation, we get into a level of hypocrisy as it relates to safety and security of our children. Too long, as parents and as stakeholders, we forget our mandate. We forget the reason why we're adults. We also forget the reason why we are placed in the lives of our children. And without any reservation, I can say this morning that we are slowly and slowly failing our children. I know, footballers, this morning is not easy for you. None at all. And I know no amount of words that we express or what we say this morning might offer you the level of comfort that you will get. That level of comfort will not be anytime soon. But guess what? The Jamaica Constabulary Force, and by extension, the State Schools Unit, and our local CSSB team, the Kingston Western CSSB team, we stand resolute. We will stand with you through the good and the bad times. As police officers, we cannot undo what was done to the young man. We cannot. So we are not here to fool you. What we can do is to ensure that we enhance our investigative capacity to ensure that those who took the life of that young student, a promising student, he did nothing wrong on his birthday. Footballers, like I said, there's no amount of words to console you. Early days. But from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, we pledge that we will put out all stops. We'll stop at nothing at all. And this is not just talking. To ensure that those who are involved in the killing of young Omar will be brought to justice. And that's a promise, and we'll be delivering on that promise. And just as how we come now to try and console you, because we have to, you're hurting. We'll be back here in short order to deliver the message that we have them. You can depend on us.
That all is not well. Laing has been a great student. He was not so much online due to no device. When I intercept him at grade 11 September, and I reach out to him and I take him to school, he was using the lab, he was learning to log on, he was interested in learning. When I observe him sitting with the ballers, even when they were discussing some things not so right or saying some words, I could never see Laing taking part. He will just there sitting calmly on his phone or just observing. That's Laing. Peace. Someone of peace. Yes, we're going to miss him, but we will have to be strong for each other. You can't say that you're okay now, because honestly, you're not okay. This is the opportunity to open up and let's start the healing process. And we can only heal when we talk about Laing. We all know the goodness. He always correct you all. You're doing something wrong, he's going to say, don't do it. And that's Laing. An example setter, trendsetter, leader who is no longer with us.